I brought her out for a quick bash. The Kraton EXB 8S. The system I got in it, just in case you didn't catch that on the last video, I got a 150 amp Spectrum ESC and a 1650 kV motor, a Spectrum servo. And now I'm gonna crank it up to 100% because I didn't do that last time. And I want to see how she rip. Let's get into it. Oh yeah. That's only a 22 pinion. That's the crazy part. Got my son out here flying his helicopter. He got the Blade 230S. I'm gonna do a video on this when I learn how to fly this. This thing looks awesome. Now back to the boring car. Oh, what did you do?
I flipped it.
Yeah, this thing is beasting out, man. I'm gonna try some things up here. Yo, this thing is a monster, man. Oh my God. Let's try this. I'm scared to jump this right here. Yeah, I'm scared to take no risks so far, but let me straighten this steering out real quick. Thing is a monster. Be nice and dirty. Whoa. Oh, something stuck. Yeah, well, you know this the EXB, so the suspension is flushed on here. I might have to mess with the brakes. Because it's not really stopping there. I don't know if I want to mess with the brakes though. I can just slide and brake, but I might, you know, sometimes you might need to stop on a dime, so I don't know. I gotta up the gear. Breaking it just Not William though. Little Willie. This thing is a monster, man. Oh! Oh, wow. What's that clicking noise? I ain't gonna do a speed test on it yet till I up that pinion. Man, it's dark out here. Gotta check that out. I don't know what that was. Well, let's take it to the shop, find out. I'm about to call it a day because it's about to rain. I just wanted to get her out here. I'm gonna rip her tomorrow too, so. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.